To get this, 6 pics before November ends template on Instagram. First open Instagram. Now go to search option and search the account named Add Yours Now. Now after searching it, click on the first account you see. Now to get 6 pics before November ends template, you can check my story. You will find the template here, and if you don't find it here, then go to highlights. Named Add Yours To, click on it and tap on the story until you find the required template. Now to use this, click on the Add Yours option, which will direct you to the camera. Now to add your photos to the template accordingly, first click on Layout. Now click on 4 Grid Layout and then click on 6 Grid Layout. And now add your 6 pics from your gallery one by one. Now after adding yours photos, click on Confirm. And now you're done. Now to upload the story, just click on your story and your story will be uploaded and you are all set. You can also check my highlights to get more sticker and templates.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.